Hey moms, it's Sylvia Mokolo here today. I'd like to talk about easiest way as moms we can get our vegetables into our diet, because as busy working moms it is like a struggle. I know there's a perfect way everybody talks about, oh, add vegetables to your diet, and that is the perfect way of doing things. But how do we make it a reality? How do we practically make it part of our diet? And I have five essential vegetables that I most of the time cannot do without, because it just helps me. It helps me get the veggies in. It helps me to stay healthy. And so that's what we're going to be talking about today. My five essential vegetables. Number one, I can't do without my spinach. Spinach in a bottle. Um, what I normally do is that I buy the spinach, mostly washed because I'm very busy. I chop it up and put it in a bottle, and it stays in the fridge for as long as I want it. And in that way, no matter what, the thing I like about spinach is it's close to tasteless, in the fact that you can taste it in your meal. So when you have fussy eaters and you're like, they can only see it, but it doesn't spoil the taste of their meal. And that's why what I like about spinach, because you can add it to virtually anything. I use it with my spaghetti, I use it with my tortillas, I use it with rice, I use it with any meal, and also to make my traditional soup as well. And it's very healthy, very easy to find in the shops, and so that is one veg that I can do. I mostly cannot do without as a busy mom. Another one is carrots. You know, Carrots are another go-to. My kids love it. We love it as a snack in our house. Just before they come back from school, sometimes I chop it up in finger like, and put it on the counter for them, and they just love snacking on it. And so carrot is another go-to snack, which can be used as a snack, to have, and as well as chopping it and put it and making a salad with it, or making a meal like a pasta with your carrot. So carrots another go-to in my house, which we use. And cucumbers. Oh, cucumbers is another one that it can be used with any meal, in the sense that I just slice it, put it in a bowl in the middle, and we're having our meals, and the cucumber is there, and we just keep taking out of it, and in that way we're getting our veggies in as well. So that's why it's so easy to have vegetables with your meal. I mean, because of these go-to vegetables. So that's the third one. There's a spinach, there's a carrot, there's the cucumber. Um, Another one is the lettuce. We use it a lot in my house. We just we have it sliced in a bag, or we use it to make a salad or make sandwiches. So it's another key vegetable which we have in our fridge. The fifth one is broccoli, like, as in, could be used to make any meal. I use it to make pasta, or I just boil it sometimes and put it in the middle of the dining table while we're having a meal, and my kids can just munch on it. We can munch on it, and in these ways, you don't have to go overboard and look for vegetables that you can get the ones that suit you. But what I mean is that, as a busy working mom, it's so easy to have, especially the spinach, cut up in a glass jar, tightly covered in the fridge, and it's so easy to incorporate it in any meal that you are making. Once you've made the meal, you just pour your spinach on it and mix it in. And so I hope you found that useful. My five essential vegetables, which I use to make sure that we are getting our veggies into our diet. Um, Speak to you soon.